Hey guys, hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Gini Sachnandani. Hope all of you are safe and fine and wishing you all Eid Mubarak. So for this year's Eid, I've actually created a very subtle makeup look just to give a little bit of pop of colored eyeliner. In case if you guys remember, last year for Eid, I actually did halo eye makeup and that's why I decided to go really subtle and soft with my makeup this time. So I love the entire makeup look and I'm sure you guys will equally love it. So please stay tuned and watch the entire video. So as you can see, I've already applied my eyeshadow base. I'm just going to quickly get started with my eye makeup. So if you guys would have noticed, last year for Eid, I actually created halo eye makeup. But this year, I'm going to go really subtle with my eye makeup. I'm just going to pick up earthy tones and just going to finish it with a touch of gold, a little bit of not too sure if I'm going to go with shimmer because as I mentioned I'm going to go very subtle with my eye makeup. Probably I'll just give it a touch of colored eyeliner. Let me just see which eyeliner to pick depending on what kind of eye makeup I'm going to create. So yeah, this video is going to be a proper eye makeup tutorial. The face makeup video will be shown in the next segment, so please stay tuned for that. So to begin with, I'm just going ahead with a very nude color from the Huda Beauty palette in the shade Musk. I think this works very well for the transition shade and I absolutely love nude colors. And with the help of the blending brush, I'm just going back and forth very gentle on my eyelids. I'm just repeating the same on the other eye and I'll just keep adding color till I feel there's enough depth and intensity. You guys can also use blend of two colors for transition shade, but just have one thing in mind: the transition shade is supposed to be a lighter shade. It cannot be dark because it's going to look very dark and patchy on the eyelids. So just be very careful while picking up a shade. Now with the help of concealer from Too Faced, I'm just creating an eyeshadow base on the center of the eyelids. This will actually define my eye makeup. The brush that I'm currently using while creating the eyeshadow base is basically a flat brush from Real Techniques. So guys, when you want to create an eyeshadow base, you generally need a flat brush. So it's according to your choice which brush you want to pick. Just make sure it has to be a flat brush. Now I'm just adding a lighter color on the inner corner of my eye, and the shade that I'm currently using is basically from Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills. So basically if you add a lighter color on the inner corner of your eye, it'll actually make your eye look bigger and also brighten up your eye makeup. Now going back to my Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette, I'm just adding a beautiful metallic color on the center of my eyelids. It's in the shade Cashmere. If you see this color, it's not very bright and it also doesn't have shimmer, but I actually love this color because it looks very soft, very elegant and subtle, and it blends beautifully with my transition shade. As I've earlier mentioned, this year's eye makeup is going to be super subtle, so I actually love this particular color from the Desert Dust palette. Now I'm just finishing the entire eye makeup by applying kajal and eyeliner. So when it comes to eyeliner, I'm pretty sure most of us just struggle because it can be little tricky. So I would highly recommend you guys can actually opt for sketch eyeliner because that makes the job very easier and hassle free. I'm totally comfortable with my gel pot eyeliner from Inglot. I usually use an eyeliner brush to define my eyeliner and it just comes with regular practice. I know initially you guys can struggle a bit when you have to use an eyeliner brush and just define your eyeliner. But trust me guys, it's not rocket science. With regular practice, you can actually master it. Now I'm just adding a beautiful emerald green color on top of my black eyeliner, and the palette that I'm currently using is basically from Huda Beauty Emerald Obsession palette. Just a little pop of color can actually define your eye makeup and make the entire eye makeup look so beautiful and radiant. Now comes my favorite part, and that is defining the lashes. Well, I basically use a lash curler to define my lashes and I top it up with a mascara. So with that being said, I'm just done with my eye makeup. Hope you guys loved it and enjoyed watching the entire video. In case if you have any doubts or suggestions to share, please feel free about it. And also guys, I'll be coming up with a face makeup tutorial anytime soon. Just stay tuned for that. Till then, love you all, take care, and Eid Mubarak.